ma will pay. Ima define ma jefa will pay. Lloyd yo, mana ma will see.
Today I'm talking about the challenges creatives face. A lot of creatives are in the world, and then most of the time we face challenges such as somebody will contact you and say, please do this work for me. After doing it for me, I will pay you. How do you tell me after doing this work you pay me? What if I give it to you and don't pay? And most of the time it's like you actually believe them, you do it for them, and then your pay never gets back. They never get back to you to pay you. You always try to hustle with them, pay me my money. And it's a huge challenge that we face here. And some people too will come to you, hello, please, can you do this work for me? Where when you do it, I'll give you a lot of audience. Like I'll give you promotions, I'll give you this, I'll give you that, I'll give you an exposure. Have I told you I need exposure? When have I told you I need exposure? You people always want to ride on the creative works of people. Sometimes you just want to ride on the person, use the person, and not actually help the person. So a lot of creatives are stopping or reducing their workloads for people, and also there's a term that is going around that creatives are bad, creatives are wicked. A lot of people are being bashed as creatives, and then it makes the work not lucrative. A lot of people don't even have the passion to even start the creative work, because you make it feel like somebody will call you, please, I need a flyer. Can you take 20 cedis for a flyer? And you say, how much is even data? And then somebody should waste the time and design a flyer and take 20 Ghana cedis. How? If it were to be you, will you do? If it were you, will you do? Spending 2 hours on a creative, and then you are paid 20 cedis. Sometimes a lot of creatives feel the pain. You spend 5 hours in creating content, and then it's not valued. So a lot of challenges as a creative, and then we face a lot. Sometimes you see people talking bad about a creative that you spend time on. Now I'm not talking about criticism. No, you see, there are criticisms that helps you grow, and there are criticisms that actually lowers your self-esteem, and then you don't even feel like continuing the work. You lose the drive that was causing you to design. A lot of creatives lose their skill because, one, it becomes a work that does not pay. Now, you should understand that every creative has a family, has a light bills or water bill. They have bills to take care of. So appearing or approaching a creative and telling the creative to just do a work for you without budgeting something to the creative, it's like using the creative. It's like abusing the skill of the creative. You people are raping creatives. You are raping them, and then you are putting your mouth on their mouth, because you tell them that, oh, do this for me, I will pay you, and you not pay. Do this for me and I'll give you exposure, and then genuinely people will work for you, and then they are waiting for the exposure. The exposure doesn't come. Oh, it will come soon. When? So a lot of creatives are being choked. A lot of creatives are being choked in Africa, especially Africa. A lot of creatives are not valued. They create content and they are not valued. They create content and it's being used without the proper recognition. The creative spend hours to create something, and then it is just thrown like the person just sat down with 2 minutes to create it. It's a huge challenge. Sometimes it makes these creative people or creative personnel lose their interest in it, because one, they are actually working in order to feed home, but then they do these things and they don't get anything out of it. Imagine you go to work at the bank for the whole 24 hours, or maybe the 8 to 5 p.m., and then at the end of the month you get nothing. What do you tell your family? And so it's like that. Let's treat creatives as people who are working, not like somebody who just sits behind a computer and just and the computer does the work. It doesn't work that way. It needs critical analysis, it needs critical thinking, it needs a lot of things. A lot of things go into creative work. Let's appreciate it, and then let's give them what they deserve. Thank you. If you can do it, then do it yourself. Don't give it to any creative. So let's kind of push our creatives. Let's push the creatives in Ghana. Let's actually give them the morale by investing in them. And then you have happy creatives, creative personnel. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you subscribe to my channel. Comment in the comment section, and also like, share, and then click on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a new YouTube video. Thank you, and I hope you have a nice day. Bless.